Welcome back to TechVibe. If you are about to click buy on a lightweight travel drone right now, I need you to freeze and listen closely. The drone world is about to experience a massive earthquake, and the rules of aerial cinematography are completely changing. We thought DJI had peaked with the previous generations. We thought cramming a 1-inch sensor and basic obstacle avoidance into a sub 250 gram body was the absolute limit of physics. We were completely wrong. Authentic hardware blueprints and internal factory supply chain data have just leaked for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, and it is shaping up to be a generational leap. In this video, we are breaking down the exact leak specifications, the revolutionary new camera system, and the game-changing battery technology that will redefine what an ultralight drone is capable of. Stick around until the very end, because the rumored release window and pricing strategy might actually shock you. The heart of any drone is the camera, and leaks point directly to a 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. A stacked sensor architecture dramatically increases the readout speed of the camera, meaning rolling shutter. That annoying jello effect you get when panning quickly across a landscape is virtually eliminated. But that is not even the best part. The most mind-blowing upgrade is the highly anticipated addition of a mechanical variable aperture, ranging from f1.8 to f11. If you are a serious filmmaker, you know the nightmare of landing your drone and changing a tiny ND filter just because the sun came out. With a mechanical variable aperture, you can seamlessly adjust your exposure mid-flight right from your controller. You maintain that cinematic 1/60 shutter speed while dynamically adapting to changing light. This is flagship-level technology, somehow engineered to fit into a drone that slides into your jacket pocket. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is reportedly bringing 6K video capability at 60 frames per second. Having 6K resolution on a sub 250 gram drone gives creators immense flexibility in post-production. You can punch in, reframe, crop, and stabilize your footage without ever losing razor-sharp 4K output. For social media creators pushing vertical video, this means you can extract pristine vertical clips from your horizontal 6K footage without massive quality loss. Combine this with 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles and a bitrate bump, and you are looking at cinema-grade dynamic range that intercuts beautifully with professional mirrorless cameras. Furthermore, insiders are teasing 4K recording at a blistering 120 frames per second, ensuring your slow-motion action shots are absolutely flawless. The biggest challenge DJI faces is packing all of this technology while legally staying under the critical 249 gram registration threshold. In the United States, keeping the drone under 250 grams means you bypass strict FAA registration requirements for most recreational flyers. In premium countries across Europe and in Canada, it dictates where you can legally fly. DJI is pulling off an engineering miracle to keep the Mini 6 Pro under this weight class by optimizing every single gram of its internal architecture. Beyond the internal electronics, DJI has reportedly completely redesigned the aerodynamic frame of the Mini 6 Pro. Wind resistance has always been a slight vulnerability for sub 250 gram drones, often struggling in coastal breezes or mountain thermals. Leaked CAD models indicate a wider, more aggressive stance with newly pitched carbon fiber propellers. This aerodynamic overhaul means the drone will slice through the air with far less drag, significantly improving its stability in high winds. You will be able to launch this drone off a windy cliffside or over a breezy beach and trust that your footage will remain perfectly locked off. The motors themselves are rumored to be upgraded to high-efficiency brushless variants, providing more torque and a faster top speed, allowing you to easily track fast-moving subjects without the drone falling behind. They are also completely overhauling the flight safety and autonomous tracking systems. The Mini 6 Pro is heavily rumored to feature an omnidirectional nightscape LiDAR system. Standard visual obstacle avoidance sensors struggle when the sun goes down or when flying in high-contrast environments like a dense forest. LiDAR changes the game entirely by using laser pulses to map the environment in real time, regardless of lighting conditions. This means you could theoretically execute an autonomous active track sequence, flying backward through a dark trail at dusk, and the drone will effortlessly weave through branches. The AI tracking algorithms are getting a massive boost alongside this, predicting subject movement even if they briefly walk behind a thick canopy of trees. If you have ever flown a drone in a dense urban environment, you know the panic of losing video signal when your drone dips behind a skyscraper. To solve this, the Mini 6 Pro is reportedly upgrading to the brand new DJI O5 transmission engine. This is expected to offer a rock-solid, unbreakable connection with significantly lower latency and a higher quality live feed. The O5 system will utilize advanced frequency hopping and stronger interference resistance, meaning you can fly with absolute confidence in crowded cities. You are going to get a buttery smooth feed straight to your remote, ensuring perfect framing no matter the radio frequency noise around you. Supply chain. Insiders are pointing toward a massive redesign of the DJI RC line, specifically tailored to maximize the potential of the Mini 6 Pro. We are talking about the brand new DJI RC3, featuring a drastically brighter OLED display that peaks at an insane 2000 nits. This means flying in direct, harsh sunlight without an annoying sun visor is finally a reality. Furthermore, this controller is expected to house a dedicated AI processing chip. This chip will render real-time cinematic templates, allowing beginners to execute complex Hollywood-style drone movements like precise corkscrews and dynamic reveals with a single tap. It is not just about the drone's hardware anymore. It is about how effortlessly you can extract that premium footage. Flight time has always been the Achilles heel of micro drones. The supply chain leaks suggest DJI is implementing a revolutionary high-density solid-state battery chemistry. This next-generation battery tech offers a significantly higher energy density without adding physical weight. We are looking at flight times pushing up to a staggering 60 minutes on a single charge, all while keeping the standard battery under the sub 250 gram limit. Imagine having an entire hour in the air to scout locations, wait for the perfect light, and capture complex hyperlapse sequences without needing to land. It completely removes battery anxiety from the creative process and changes how professionals plan their shoots. When you look at the entire package, it becomes clear that DJI is not just competing with other drone manufacturers. They are competing with their own high-end lineup. The Mini 6 Pro is cannibalizing the need for larger, heavier, and more expensive cinematic drones. For the solo traveler, the documentary filmmaker, or the real estate photographer, carrying a massive backpack full of heavy drone batteries and bulky controllers is a thing of the past. You can now fit industry-leading image quality, unmatched safety features, and a full hour of flight time into the side pocket of your backpack. It is a democratization of aerial cinematography, putting Hollywood-level tools into the hands of everyday creators. Based on authentic leaks and historical release cycles, the Mini 6 Pro is realistically slated for an announcement in the late summer to early fall of 2026. As for pricing, packing flagship technology like a variable aperture, omnidirectional LiDAR, and solid-state batteries into a micro drone is not cheap. Analysts predict a noticeable price bump, likely starting around the $1,000 to $1,100 mark for the base package. But considering you are getting the performance of an enterprise-level cinematic rig and a travel-friendly footprint, the value is undeniable. It proves creators no longer have to compromise on quality, safety, or flight time just to travel light. If these leaks hold true, this will be the undisputed king of the drone market. What feature are you most excited about? Are you waiting for the Mini 6 Pro or sticking with your current gear? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in to TechVibe. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of all the latest tech leaks, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep flying, keep creating, and we will see you in the next video.